Scalability, performance, these are things that we have invested in for a long time and we continue to invest in. And to tell you more about that, I'd like to invite Beth Linker, who is our Director of Product for Acquia Cloud, to the stage. Please welcome Beth.
Thank you, Dries. Thank you, Eric. I'm excited to be here with all of you today. So we know that not every organization gets to entertain 100 million viewers around the world, but every business does, in a sense, have its own World Cup, whether it's Black Friday, Mother's Day, graduation, a new product launch, or breaking news. Your digital presence really has to be up to the challenge. And that's why we've developed tools and services that you can't find on any other platform to help you optimize efficiency and execute with flexibility at any scale. Just like NBC Sports, you need complete visibility into your digital experience and site performance to make sure that you're always ready for whatever comes at you. So what you don't see in the highlight reel is the weeks or months of planning and preparation that go into flawlessly executing on a big day, just like Eric was talking about. Let's take a look behind the scenes now at a retailer getting ready for Black Friday, which is just around the corner. I want to talk about two of the more technical features of the Acquia Cloud platform. Anybody here use our Stack Metrics? So this is Acquia Cloud Stack Metrics. It helps you visualize the health and performance of a site. There's really no substitute for being able to see what's going on, so you can take stock of the situation and decide where to focus your development efforts, especially if you're on a deadline. The great thing about Stack Metrics is that you can easily jump from real-time views to 6-month views and anything in between. All right, so I'm going to show you how we use Stack Metrics to get a close-up look at application performance. We need to make sure that things are running smoothly at every layer of the application. Starting at the top, we're going to take a look at cache performance. Good caching is absolutely essential for frequently viewed traffic, content, and high-traffic web applications. With Stack Metrics, we can see what % of requests are served by the cache. The higher that number that is, the faster the site is going to be. This is looking pretty good. So we're going to move down and take a look at the CPU and memory usage in the Drupal application itself. I want to understand if there are any spikes happening, make sure that there's plenty of headroom so that we don't max anything out when traffic is high. This is also a good time to take a look at the impact of background jobs that might be processing content, make sure that they're running smoothly too. And then finally, we'll take a look at the database and make sure that there aren't too many slow queries, because slow database queries can bring everything to a halt. Overall, things are looking pretty good here, but I did see a few things that merit a closer look, so I'm going to show you how we can switch over and take a look at the logs. So Stack Metrics gave you the overview of everything that's happening in the system. In contrast, log streaming lets you get really specific and look at the individual events that are happening behind the scenes when visitors are interacting with the site. So what you're seeing here is how we can search and filter, zero in on specific events to help solve problems and understand how the site is responding. Even better, can download and install the exclusive Acquia log streaming plugin for Chrome. And this is great for developers because with the plugin, you can be testing pages on the site and you can see the logs from your interactions right there in your browser. You don't even need to switch windows. And this is great when you're working on new features or trying to troubleshoot because you're seeing your actions reflected on the server. It takes a lot of friction out of the site development process. We're continually working to expand what you can do with the platform. We just introduced Acquia Cloud Edge Workers, powered by Cloudflare, which takes optimizing application performance to a new level. Workers is a serverless JavaScript environment that runs at the edge and lets you modify HTTP requests and responses on the fly without going all the way back to the origin. By executing this at the edge, we're making it easier to write, deploy, test, and iterate logic quickly. What do you think, Dries?
Pretty cool, but what can you actually do with it?
Great question. Cloud Edge Workers supports many use cases, including rewriting requests for better caching, integrating web APIs and custom routing based on geolocation. So let's talk about how it works. Here you've got a typical request being served by Acquia Cloud Edge. With workers, you use serverless JavaScript to implement your business logic so that it's very developer-friendly. Even better, the code runs at edge locations all over the world, geographically close to the end user to keep things as fast and responsive as possible. Historically, these have been some of the hardest changes to develop, test, and deploy on the platform. You had to jump through a lot of hoops to get a reliable test and make sure you wouldn't bring the whole site down when you rolled out changes to production. I'm going to show you a quick example here so that you can see just how easy it is with workers. This is so easy, even a product manager like me can do it. So you may know that Dries has a blog on the Acquia Cloud platform. He recently blogged about adding dark mode to his blog. And we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it with workers. So what you see here is a test console. On the left, you can see the JavaScript code that's going to change the background color to black. We're going to click Update. You can see the results on the right, and then down at the bottom, you can see all of the details of the requests that are going back and forth, interacting with the workers. So you can see how easy it is to test before you deploy. There are a lot of great use cases for edge workers, performance optimization, to security, to custom routing. So what you just saw was the power of stack metrics to show you everything that's happening on the platform. Log streaming for those extreme close-ups, and the brand new Acquia Cloud Edge workers to unleash all kinds of possibilities. Love to talk to you about all of these at the demo booth later today. Thank you, Dries.
Awesome, thank you. Woo.